Michael is asking, can we still do dark posts nowadays? Good question. You see, fundamentally, when it comes to Facebook, page and Facebook advertising, right? So if you want to run ads on Facebook, you definitely need to have Facebook page and your Facebook ad account. So when these two things comes together, then you can run ads. Now, there are two ways of running ads. You can use either those posts that you have already published on your Facebook page, and then you can either use it to boost posts or you use it to run it as for conversion campaign even. It is all possible. Now, on the other hand, when you're creating an advertisement inside the ads manager, okay, technically they are dark posts. Dark posts means they are not appearing on your Facebook page newsfeed. So people who are actually browsing your newsfeed will not be able to see the post. So technically, why? When you're running ads, when you're creating an ad inside the Facebook Ads Manager, technically that is a dark post. Unless you choose to publish the post back into your Facebook page, then only it will become available publicly on your front end in your Facebook page newsfeed. So yeah, technically, when you're creating an ad in Ads Manager, it is a dark post. So the answer is yes, you can still do dark posts.